Hey folks, Nick Valdez here for Verified Investing, and today we're going to be talking about some key stocks, including Tesla, including SpaceX, including NVDA, and then I'm going to give you some awesome setups that we've been putting out for free on the verifiedinvesting.com website. But thank you everybody for joining so far. Go ahead and smash that like button. Let me fix my tie here. Ding, 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 ding. So let's go ahead and jump right into the charts, folks. We're first looking at SpaceX here. SpaceX had a huge gain on Friday, but now, we did open a little bit higher than where we were yesterday, but now is starting to pull back. We can go to the 1 hour so you can see today's price action as the market opened started to pull back slightly. But let's talk about the next level where I would say SpaceX is facing its first serious resistance. And I was talking to Gareth and he agreed with me on this level. So let me go ahead and put this one on your radar, everybody. This is the key level right here, this pivot top. And pivot bottom is going to be lining up right there. And you can see the tops bucking against it, and you could also see the pivot support. So keep an eye out on this level right around 149, 150. Also, 150 is going to be a strong psychological level. Speaking of Elon, let's go over to Tesla, everybody. Now, Tesla found some awesome support at this pivot bottom to this pivot bottom. And if you continue to draw it out, wow, look at that. Had a nice little rally here. And this, to me, seemed like a little bit more of a serious rally. You can see several green dailies in a row here. And I think a lot of buyers out there, they're fans of Elon. And they have some Tesla stock, but they maybe wanted some SpaceX exposure. So what they had to do is free up some capital by selling that Tesla. And also they didn't have the greatest earnings report. Wall Street was not happy with that one. You can see the E right here. When you see an E on TradingView, that means earnings. And look at that steep sell-off. But there is a level of resistance I would keep an eye out. That's going to be that pivot top support at 365. Pivot top here, pivot top here. Now, the price did dip below, but look at that daily open right there. Tried to push against it, bam, fell down into this area that created our trend line here, and then came back up and came up for a retest, came down for a retest. And so keep an eye out on that level for resistance on Tesla. Now, I want to talk about the website. We've been putting out some really good calls lately, and this is something that we give for free, everybody. So let me go ahead and get ready to share this. I have to share my screen, and we're going to be showing you the website. Now, you can go to verifiedinvesting.com is where you're going to find this analysis, and this is under the technical analysis and insights, and I gave this level for Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Again, this is all free. All you have to do is sign up. Verified Investing, we have a link down below. I gave a level, Vertex Pharmaceuticals pushes into double resistance, and found a scalp entry. And so we put these out, we give you the levels, we give you an article. We also have daily charts on there. So we talk about these just key levels, and we give it to you for free, folks. I just can't stress that enough. So let me get ready to share you the TradingView screen here. Now, this is Vertex. So this is the level. I talked about 542. Let's go to the 10-minute chart. Look at that scalp short right into our level, and that was just a great scalp opportunity. If you added to that position, say near the top here, I won't even go to the top. I'll just go to the top of that candle. Nice 3.5, almost 4% move in less than an hour. And again, folks, we're giving this for free. This is also some other levels from that same webpage here. Gareth gave out this level. This is just a key little insight into technical analysis. So we have our pivot top here, and what do you know that hit this level? But that's not the only factor. So I'm going to go on the left side here. I'm going to hit this this chart pattern right there. So we have it right, head and shoulders. So we paint our left shoulder, we paint our head, and then we're going to see a right shoulder as well. And then boom, that and completely, finishes the chart pattern right there. And so if you go to this tool, which is just our trend line, and we go straight down, well, what do you know, folks? Look at that confluence. So nice double factor resistance. So we're throwing these levels out to you for free. Bloom Energy, you can see the pivot tops here, pivot top. What do you know? We bucking against this area. And so we also have some pretty strong resistance on this one. Now let's talk about airlines, everybody. The gas prices for airlines is going up as oil goes up. And let me know down below, what is your favorite airline? If you say Spirit, I might go ahead and unsubscribe you. I'm going to go into the YouTube algorithm somehow, and I'll find your account. You better not say Spirit Airlines. Of course, they're no longer around. Sad day for some. maybe happy day for others. Looking at love, this is Southwestern Airlines. You can see it pushing down pretty heavily with the oil surge today, but this is also coming right into some support. So we have our bottoms here, came in, retested it, and then now we are hitting this area right here. If we lose this, we have another support directly below and just a very short distance. The price pushed down to about 45 even. And this is only 44.50 essentially. So down, roughly about another 50 cents. You can see all the pivot tops here. And also, I gave these levels on that same webpage last week. So, I mean, our levels are hitting, folks. All this information is for free. And I do appreciate everybody watching these videos. And I really appreciate it if you hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed. And now let's round things out with NVIDIA. We have the pivot top here, came down, kind of negated the pattern right there, but boom, we established it, and we established it here, and we also established it here. So if NVIDIA continues to push down with the rest of the sector, with the Nasdaq and, everything that we're seeing here on the S&P 500, etc., this is the key level for support for NVIDIA that I'm keeping an eye on. It's going to be right around 211, and right now the price is 217. But folks, make sure you're following this channel. Make sure you're hitting that like button. We really do appreciate you watching the Verified Pro Trader channel, and make sure you catch my show on the main channel, everybody over there, Crypto Revealed. And we just put out our first new episode of Crypto Combat. We did that on Friday. We're doing that every Friday. It's very exciting stuff. High stakes, high leverage. People are getting liquidated or they're striking it rich. This is so fun to watch. But folks, I appreciate you sticking around to the end as always, and hit that like button on the way out. I'll see you in the future. Thank you.